Are you struggling with sound issues on your Windows PC? Maybe your audio isn't working properly, it's crackling, or completely missing after a Windows update? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to easily download and update the Realtek HD Audio Driver on Windows 10 and Windows 11 to fix all your sound problems. Let's jump right in. Before we download anything, we need to check which version of the Realtek driver is currently installed. Here's how. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Scroll down and look for Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find Realtek High Definition Audio, or it might be listed as High Definition Audio Device. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and check the driver date and version. If your driver is outdated, it's time for an update. Now, let's get the latest driver directly from Realtek's official website. Open your browser and type Realtek HD Audio Driver Download into Google. Look for the official website, realtek.com. Avoid third-party sites. Click on it and navigate to the download section. Under Computer Peripherals, select PC Audio Codecs. Choose High Definition Audio Codecs and download the latest available version. For Windows 10 and Windows 11, select a 64-bit driver that supports Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, and 11. Click Agree and Download. Enter your email, if required. Complete the CAPTCHA and start the download. Once the driver file is downloaded, follow these steps. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next to install the driver. Restart your PC to complete the installation. After restarting, go back to Device Manager, check the driver version, and confirm that the latest Realtek driver is installed. And that's it. You've successfully installed or updated your Realtek HD Audio Driver, and your sound issues should now be fixed. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech solutions. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.